how to put things in your hidden photos on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can put things on your hidden photos on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually put things on your hidden photos on iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is actually go and open the Photos application and just select the photos that maybe you want to hide it and set it in your hidden photos. You can multiple select them, or you can just long press on a single one here, and right at the bottom you'll find an option known as hide. So when you tap on this hide option here, you'll find the option called hide photo. So now when you tap on hide photo option, that particular photo has been moved to hidden photos section. Now to find this, just come to the albums tab from the bottom of your iPhone here, scroll down a bit, again under utilities you'll find a section known as hidden. So this will only show up if you've hidden some photos in the past. So now when you unlock it, you should be able to find all the photos that you have hidden over here. This way you should be able to put things in a hidden folder on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.